Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly change the background color for your Elementor for all of your pages. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So in this video, we'll be using WordPress as well as the Elementor plugin to do this from scratch. And to do it is quite simple. The first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your WordPress account as an administrator, and you want to get access to the Elementor editor. So here's what it looks like. This is the site builder for it. And once you guys are here, you want to click on the menu icon for the corresponding page whose background you want to change. So if I want to change the background for this to a different color, I'd click on this icon right here, click on site settings and select global colors. And from here, you get to add a custom color to your page or use like the built-in ones to actually apply it. So if I were to add a custom color, I'd simply click on add color just like this. And I would click on this icon to bring up the color spectrum. And from here, you can select whatever color you want to change your website into. So if let's see, looks like red isn't here. So let's go with red, for example. You can drag the slider along. Let's do this one. And then we're going to rename it to whatever we want. So let's do red. And that's it. Actually, hold on. And that'd be it. Now we're going to select this color and apply it over to our page and show you guys what I mean. Click on this and click on update and go back to the editor. Ooh, actually, I think we need to use the one that's tied with the theme. So let's do that again. So if you want to create a custom color, you can do it here. But if you want to edit the ones that are shown on your page, just click on this. Let me just copy this just so I don't lose it. If I want to undo the effects, we're going to click red. Click on update. Go back to editor. And yeah, that'd be it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and thank you all for watching the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.